Hi, it's Rick Rose here from Keller Williams right here in Windsor. I was at a meeting just not long ago with a group of very intelligent, very well-informed other realtors, and we were asking each other, how are you finding the market and that type of thing. And what I said to this very intelligent group was, my take on this is, like, a while ago we had Doug Ford going for an election, and then we had Trump going for an election, won it, and that was in November. January, he gets sworn in and immediately starts doing a whole bunch of weird and wonderful things. Then we have a federal election. Somewhere around December or so, at least in Ontario, but probably most or all of Canada, took a big breath and they were just holding it. And about a month ago, I said, once all of this stuff, when the federal election is done, it's my opinion that people are going to go, okay, at least now we know where we stand. There's no more balls up in the air being juggled. We know where we stand, and we've got. Over the past 2 weeks, that has been absolutely correct. Not patting myself on the back, but it's turning out that way. Right now, we have a really good inventory of listings, homes for sale, and the buyers now are starting to come out. The buyers are starting to take a look. So the basis of this whole thing today is it really a good time to buy a home? Let's go over just a few things. Interest rates are low. Prices have come down. In any market, stock market, real estate market, you want to buy low, and if you want to sell, you sell high. Point here is, this is the opportunity right now. Once everything starts getting busier and more properties have come on the market and for sale and have sold, prices are going to go up. We are probably, nobody can predict the exact bottom of the market, but I think if it was here, we're probably over here. We probably past the bottom, which means buying right now is, if you're interested in buying a property, now is the time. Again, interest rates are low. There's a lot of selection in the listings out there, a lot of homes for sale. Our owner of Keller Williams, who is actually in Toronto, wrote a 48 page book. If you want full information on answering any question pretty much that you have, is it the right time right now to buy? Tips, tricks on buying, what to look for, when to look for it, absolutely free. I will print off a copy for you. I don't know about mailing it. Canada Post charges a ton of money, but I can either email it to you, or if you'd like to drop over to the office, I'd love to meet you. Pick up, I'll print off a copy for you just like this, and you can pick it up. I'll shake your hand. Bring a coffee if you want. I take double cream. No, I'm kidding. If you want a copy of this book really is full of information. It's incredible. Please contact us, and I'll be happy to do that for you. Anyway, any questions about buying a home, feel free to give me a call. Thanks a lot. We'll talk soon.